Welcome to the intricate world of economies. Imagine an enormous web where each strand connects to actions like buying, selling, working, and producing. That's what an economy is, a complex network of activities, people, and transactions, all intertwined. But it's not just about money, it's about resources, how we use them, and how they shape our lives. The Cambridge Dictionary has the following definition of the word economy: the system of trade and industry by which the wealth of a country is made and used. An economy stands on three pillars: production, distribution, and consumption. It encompasses everything from the vast resources underground to the money in our pockets. Its factories humming, goods transported worldwide, and services provided, right down to a street vendor selling snacks and a shopper paying for them. From the bustling global trade to the quiet exchanges in local markets, an economy is a tapestry of human activity and aspiration. There isn't just one type of economy. Imagine a spectrum. On one end, there are command economies, where governments make all decisions. On the other, there are market economies, driven by consumer choice. In the middle, mixed economies, combining government intervention with market freedom. Each type represents a different recipe for managing resources and achieving prosperity. Communist countries, such as Cuba and North Korea today, and the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe in the past, were command economies. The advanced economies, including the US, Canada, Western Europe, Japan, and Australasia, claim to be market economies. However, major sectors of their economies are operated or funded by the government, including education, parts of healthcare, infrastructure, law enforcement, social services, space exploration, research and development, and postal services. Their governments also occasionally intervene in the private sector, such as by providing financial assistance to key industries during economic crises. They are, in fact, mixed economies. Technology and innovation are the engines of economic growth. They transform old methods, conjuring new industries out of thin air and revolutionizing our work and lives. From the Industrial Revolution steam engines to today's digital revolution, technology propels economies forward, scripting new chapters in our collective prosperity. Automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence are key drivers, poised to propel our current economy to new heights. The economy isn't confined by borders. It's a global tapestry woven through trade. Countries exchange products, services, and even ideas, creating interdependence. This global connectivity means that an event in one country can send ripples across the globe, influencing economies worldwide. Communication technology, especially the internet, has allowed many businesses to extend their reach beyond their borders. Economies aren't just cold, hard numbers on a page. They're living, breathing entities reflecting our cultures, values, and decisions. They shape our opportunities, our hopes, and our futures. Understanding them isn't just about finance or commerce, it's about understanding humanity's story and our place within it.